So in the last few classes, we have studied how to find the PI for the 1 divided by f of d into x raised to m, where x raised to m is an algebraic expression might be there. Okay, algebraic expression may be there over there. So we have solved the one of the some 1 or 3 examples also. So next I will try to solve one more problem so that we can understand this in better way. Right? I write down. Solve d cube y by dx cube plus 2 times of d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equals to x square plus x square plus x. So this is the problem that we have to solve now. I think we have not solved this type of problem, x square plus x, right? Now we'll solve. So first stage, nimge helide. What we have to do? I have to bring it in the form of a f of d. Function of d, I have to make it capital D. So what I will do it? It is d square times of y plus 2 times of d square times of y plus d times of y is equals to x square plus x. Right? E type baribodu. Next one, I can take common here as a y. So here what happens? Y is equals to x square plus x. What we have done? Just taken y as a common here. So whatever it is there, I have wrote that. So now it is nothing but in my standard form. This is my first stage. I told you I have completed. That is, it is f of d times of y is equals to whatever it is there. Right? It is in this form. Now next stage. What we have to do in the next stage in Matega? I have to find my CF. To find the CF, I have to start with my auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is given by m cube plus 2m square plus m is equals to 0. Right? So this is a cubic equation. So 3 roots will be there for this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತವೆ 3 ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ 3 ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ shall I take m as a common here all the thing if I will take it will remains like this you can check it out right that means I can say that either m is equals to 0 or m square plus 2m plus 1 is equals to 0 now one of the root I have got it now solve this right so I think minus 1 will be there 1 ones are 1 it should be minus into minus plus 1 so it should be minus 1 therefore m plus 1 into m plus 1 it will be roots will be I can write this one so what happens m is equals to minus 1 and another one m is equals to minus 1 therefore I have got 3 roots first root second root third root right so now I can write my CF so what will be the my CF is equals to C1 into e raised to 0 is there 0x I can write that it will becomes 1 don't worry plus this is repeated roots these two are the repeated roots so what I should write here C1 plus sorry it should be C2 why I wrote C1 already C2 plus C3 into x e raised to minus x so this is my CF I have completed to find my CF. Now, what is the left out? I should find the PI, right? For that sake, what is the standard form? PI is equals to 1 divided by f of d into whatever the algebraic terms will be there, that one. So here I will write that algebraic terms directly, right? Here, what is that f of d here? I can say this one. 1 divided by d cube plus 2d square plus d into x square plus x. Right? So this is the thing I can. What is the next step? What is the next step? Always the algebraic term, whenever it is there, have to write 1 divided by f of d should be written in the form of a 1 divided by d, sorry, 1 plus a d, it should be written, right? I should bring this f of d in this form, that is f of 1 plus d should be there, that is function of 1 plus d, it should be. 1 should be there and remaining all d should be one side. So I should write that one. So before that one, I can take here a d common and then I can write it. So what I will do it, instead of that one, I will use my factors. What are the factors here I have got? 1 divided by. Why I am doing that one means I have used always the factors for simplification. D into what is this? D square. Here it is. D square plus 2 times of d plus 1 I can write. Into x square plus x. Right? Now what happens here? Now in this part I can take anything common? No, not needed here. I can write here directly the factors again. What is this? D plus 1 whole square I can say. Why? You can see it here. D plus 1, if you multiply, if you make the square of this terms, I will get this one. So now here standard form is there. I told you don't worry about the powers. Here inside what is there? 1 plus d is there. If I will rewrite this, 1 plus d is there, I can say. Don't worry about this 1 by d. You will simplify that afterward. So what I can say, this is equals to 1 divided by d into 1 plus d to the power of minus 2 into x square plus x. Now, so whenever positive sign is there, I know the formula for minus all to the power of minus 2 with a minus sign. If positive is there means have to use the formula alternately plus sign minus. What is the formula for 1 minus d to the power of minus 2?
1 plus 2d plus
1
3d
plus
square
3
plus
2d
4d
plus
cube.
square
3d
like this.
square plus 4d cube.
Right. All the terms are with positive terms, right? For my negative sign. If I will go for positive, it should be alternative plus and minus. Before that one, I will write the formula for that. Right? What is this? 1 plus 2d plus 3d square plus 4d cube plus, right? 5d cube d to the power of 4 plus, it will goes on like this. Right? It will goes like this. Correct? Correct idea idu. Now, what we have to do next step? This is for minus. If you have positive over here, then what you have to make? Plus, minus, positive, negative, positive, negative. 6d to the power of 5. It will goes like this. Okay, this is the formula for this one. If you want, now you can write down this one. Right? And now I will write that formula. So I will substitute this over here. So what I will do for that sake, let me clean the board first. Right now, this one, I'm substituting over here. Pi is equals to, this is 1 divided by, as it is I'm writing. Instead of this part, I'm substituting this part. That is flower bracket 1 minus 2d plus 3d square minus 4d cube plus 5d to the power of 4 minus, it will goes like this. Okay, close this, and with x square plus x will be there. Okay, now next what we have to do, before I will bring this inside, I'll take this one first inside. What happens then? 1 divided by d, it will be minus 2, it will be only constant term will be there if you multiply this, plus 3 times of d square divided by d, it will become d, minus 1 by d, इससे multiply करे तो 4d square, plus again if you multiply this 5 times of d cube, plus minus dot dot, it will goes. I can stop it here itself because I can differentiate or integrate this one, x square, right? 1 time or 2 time, whatever times will be there. So now next step, what I have to do, how to bring this whole thing inside. This is equals to 1 divided by d into x square plus x, this is first term, minus 2 into x square plus x, this is second term, plus 3 times of d into x square plus x, right, minus 4 times of d square times of x square plus x, right? If you, how many times I can differentiate this one? 2 times. Third time it will become 0. Therefore, I will not take this term. I'll close it here itself. I will stop it here. Now, next step. Next, what we have to do? What do you mean by 1 by d? What do you mean by 1 by d? Integration. You have to integrate this. What will the integration of this? X cube divided by 3 plus x square divided by 2. Right? First term completed. What about this term? This is constant, sir. Keep as it is. Okay? Plus, what about this part? It is differentiation of this part. So what I will do it, 3 into, what is the differentiation of x square? Sir, 2x plus differentiation of x,
1
minus 4, I will keep as it is. Now, I have to differentiate this 2 times. First time differentiation, what I will get it? Sir, 2x plus 1. Right? If you make another one time differentiation, it will be 2. So I will write it here, 2. Right? Now, how much simplification is possible? Make that one first. Make the simplification. How much it is possible? So how much it is possible? Simplify that. This is x cube divided by 3 plus x square divided by 2 minus 2x square minus 2x plus 3 to the 6x plus into plus plus 1 plus into minus minus 4 to the 8. Now simplify and tell me please your answers.
Sir, plus 3. 3 into 1, 3.
Here 3 to the 6 plus 1 I wrote it. Sorry, this should be 3 now. Right, okay. Now x cube is not there. I can write this one as it is. X square terms are there. Here. Only 2 terms are there. X square. How much it will becomes?
Minus
2
3x
to the
square
4.
by 2.
Right. Minus up. Right. Minus 3x square
3x.
divided by 2. Right? Right. Now what about this part? Plus 4x.
4x.
What about this one? Minus 5. Right? This is my PI. Right? So what is my general solution? What is my general solution? My general solution is given by CF plus PI. Right? Therefore, general solution is nothing but an CF is equals to CF, sorry, GS is equals to CF plus PI. So now what I can do? Therefore, Y is equals to, that is my general solution. Y is equals to C1 plus e raised to 0x plus CO2 plus C3 plus whatever the PA is there. PA is here, that is x cube divided by 3 minus 3 divided by 2 times of x square plus 4x minus 5. So this is my general solution. This is one of the problem. Okay, write down one more problem so that we can solve that.
Can breathe, ma'am. Papa, ಮೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದ್ರಿ ಹೀಗೆ
Right. Okay, na? There is no problem?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Fine. So you can take some assignments. 1 or 2 assignments I will write it here so that you can solve that in your homes itself.